So, how can activists use this idea of a network community, or this idea that information can be capital or ammunition? There are several lessons that can be drawn from the examples in this book. First is, think about what is the sentiment that your movement is going to spark? What is the thing that, as yet unarticulated, people will organize around? Then, your movement is defined by the quality and character of the information that you collect. Will the information be earnest, like the Tsunami Help volunteers, or will it be full of sarcastic jokes, like the Filipino protesters ousting President Estrada? Another lesson is that you should choose easy and flexible tools to collect and distribute the information. It's not necessarily just the latest technology. In Taiwan, the political opposition easily strung cable TV wires all over the island. In China in the 19th century, protesters used not only the new telegraph, but also newspapers, which had been around for a long time. Another lesson is that you should invest and maintain and improve your information cache continuously. It's the lifeblood of your organization. And think about, does your information compete or complement information already available? That gives you a clue as to whether you are competing with existing institutions or you might be complementing the functions of existing social institutions. And how you handle this information becomes part of the core custom or rituals of your group. Like the annual reports of the International Campaign to Ban Landmines, it gives a rhythm to your calendar and an activity around which your workers or volunteers or activists will organize. Stepping back, think about who is in your network community. Who are the people that are connected to you, either because they are activists, they're observers, because they're critics, or because they're opponents. In all cases, they will be accessing a common technology to access information that you've collected. How does this network community interpret your information? Do they perceive it directly as it's delivered? Do they filter it through their own experience? Is that filter actually critical and reinterpreting the information as you send it? These are some of the basic ideas that come out of the concept of network community that are applicable to activists.